In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Asana task list. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need from signing in to sending your task to the printer, so you can get a clean, readable page without any guesswork. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This is the fastest way to get into your workspace if your account is connected to Google. When the Google account chooser appears, select your account to proceed. After a moment, Asana will load your home view. Now take a look at the upper left corner of the screen. That's where the sidebar lives. If it's collapsed, click the sidebar icon to expand it so you can see your navigation clearly. If it collapses again, click it once more to keep it open. With the sidebar visible, find and click the project that contains the tasks you want to work with. This opens the project and shows the list of tasks in the main pane. Next, click a task from the list to open its detail pane on the right. This is important because the print option we need lives inside the tasks menu. Once the detail pane is open, move to the upper right corner of that pane and click the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu. If you like shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to jump straight to printing from here. From the menu, choose Print. Your browser's print preview will open and display a clean version of the task. You'll typically see the task title, key details, and related information formatted for the page. Take a quick moment to confirm the layout looks right. You can adjust options in the print dialog, such as choosing your printer, switching between portrait and landscape, and setting the number of copies. If the preview looks too small or runs off the page, try adjusting the scale or margins until everything fits comfortably. When you're satisfied, click Print in the dialog to send it to your printer. If nothing appears, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups and that your printer is selected and online. That's it. You signed in with Google, opened your sidebar, selected the project, clicked a task to reveal its details, opened the three-dot menu, and chose Print. Follow these same clicks anytime you need a tidy physical copy of a task from your Asana list. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.